Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning I'm visiting with my co-host Kristi Shive. She's the Warren County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Kristi.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristi, I know homemakers are such a vital part of our community, but I'm really excited about a new program you have going on.
That's right, Joanna. So, the homemakers, we know that they do so many things. Their main focus is on learning, leading, and serving. And there are many people in the community that simply cannot be a part of the homemaker groups because of different commitments. And so, we are starting a virtual homemaker club called Making a Joyful Home.
And that's what we all want, right?
Yes. And Joanna, it's very timely that we're making a virtual club because of the past few months and many things have been canceled. And so we are offering our very first class by a pie crust making class.
And with the holidays coming up, that's perfect. You know, people are spending more time at home, cooking more at home, and now you can make your very own pie crust.
Exactly. And I'm so excited because we are having a guest speaker, Leslie Workman. She's the Pike County Family and Consumer Sciences Agent, Joanna. And we have heard so many wonderful things about her. And she is going to be showing us that making our very own homemade pie crust is really not that complicated, but it is sure to be a showstopper.
Well, that's great. Now, Kristi, I want to take this class. So, how do I get signed up? What do I need to do?
Alrighty, so you are going to call our office at 270-842-1681 and you are going to choose which time you'd like. So you can either sign up for a 10 a.m. time slot or a 6 p.m. time slot. Once you sign up for the class, we will email you a Zoom link. Now, there is a cost to the class. It's $10, but that registration cost includes admission to the pie crust making class, membership for the virtual Homemaker Club, homemaker newsletters, and educational information.
Awesome. I think that's a great deal to learn. You know, I think right now too, it's great to learn new life skills and learn new things. So, and you have two different times to choose from.
Exactly. And Joanna, even if someone thinks that they might not have access to Zoom, they probably do. If you have a smartphone, you can download the Zoom app, and I would be more than happy to walk anyone through that downloading process to make sure that they can attend the class.
Now, how long will the class last?
So the class is going to be about a half hour. We thought for this first time, we didn't want to keep anybody too long, but you will also be receiving a packet of information when you sign up for the class. So make sure that you do that because we'll be following along with that packet and it's going to be your recipe for whenever you do decide to make your very own pie crust.
And it's a great resource. Now, Kristi, what date is this class being
Alrighty,
offered?
so this is going to be on Tuesday, November 10th. So that's the second Tuesday in November. And again, the times are 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. So maybe someone works during the day, they can't attend the morning time, they can attend the evening time slot.
Now, I know you mentioned there's a packet of information and of resources that are going to go out. Is there a deadline that I need to get registered by?
Yes, so we would like people to register by Friday, November 6th. Now, this is going to give us time to make sure that you get your information packet, that we send you that Zoom link, and maybe walk you through any technical steps that you need to take.
Absolutely. And if anybody has not attended a meeting on Zoom, it is somewhat interactive. So you'll be able to ask questions of Leslie and those type of things.
Yes, absolutely. And if you don't want to be super interactive, you don't have to, but we are going to be there live to answer any questions that they might have.
And I know, Kristi, your Warren County homemakers are such a cohesive group. Is this only open to Warren County residents, or if they're watching in another county, can they participate?
It is only open to Warren County residents, although if you are interested, any extension office has this information, and I'm sure that they would be happy to get it to you.
And Kristi, you guys also have some great recipes for those pies, like cushaw pie, some really neat recipes for the holidays.
Yes, so whatever your holiday Thanksgiving might be looking like, even if you're not having a big get together, this is going to be a great resource to have in your recipe book so you can whip out hopefully in the future.
All right, Kristi, well, thanks for the information. And if you have questions about this virtual Homemakers Club, the pie making class, or homemakers in general, make sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.